The more videos you put on YouTube, the more viewers you get, and the more watch hours will be increasing. Yes, hello everyone who is here. Welcome to my studio. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Kissman, and I have a YouTube channel. And if you go to search for me on YouTube, that is my YouTube channel name I use, Kissman D. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because I'm really in need of 1,000 subscribers. So why am I here is to a question that many people have, and the fears that some people have, that do people really make money from YouTube? The answer is yes. People make money from YouTube, those who have established, and even those who are just upcoming YouTubers, they also make money from YouTube. So my dear brother, sister out there, get started, open a YouTube channel, and then begin sharing your views and your experiences with other people. YouTube pays. People have bought cars, people have bought houses, people have bought plots, People have made life easy just by operating a YouTube channel. As long as you follow the right procedures and policies, you will be able to earn money from YouTube channel. So right now, there is a circulation going on, or one of the ways that people have discovered that you can make money on YouTube as early as possible within 30 days. So people have taken a strategy. You have to give yourself like 30 to 60 days. And what you are supposed to do, or what you are going to do, is you have to begin planning and start posting your videos every day. You can post a video, or you can post more than 1 or 2, 3 videos on your channel, depending on your strength and your capability. Just go ahead, grab your camera, move out there, and begin showing people what kind of skills you have, or what skills that people are applying outside there, and put them on your channel, and let people learn from it. Without forgetting consistency. You have to be consistent by getting videos daily. Don't mind a lot of editing. Much editing is not so much important, but as long as your video carries a value, has a meaning for the public, you'll get people following you, and people will like your video, people will subscribe to your channel, and they will share your videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to mine. As much as I'm giving people views, subscribe to my channel too. So the 30-day project or program right now, if you are a new YouTuber, just start your channel right now away, and then start dropping videos into your channel. If you have some of the skills that you have as a person, this is also so great. Show people. If you are a gym coach, you like going to the gym, can you show people what skills that people should apply as they get into the gym? There are some people who are very good on how people can make money. Please come out here and tell people what activities or projects that people can do. If it is on YouTube, if it is on Google, how should people maneuver ways that they can help them make a living easy by getting some of the money through YouTube. So don't forget to comment. Please comment people's videos, and please subscribe. We are here to build a community. Subscribe to your fellow YouTubers. This is what will make all of us grow, and all of us get monetized from YouTube. Because the big deal at the end of the day is to see that we are all monetized. Because once one gets monetized, that one opens your ways. It opens your ways that you're going to be getting monetized, and then you begin getting money from YouTube. And remember, posting regularly, that is what increases your viewers. It does not matter whether you have 10 viewers, 20 daily. The only thing is consistency. Keep posting your videos. You never know. These videos, once you have placed it on your channel, it will not die. It will not go off. It will continue being there, and some of the people will be watching them. Some of the videos at the time you post may not go viral, but after a few years, after some time, people now begin picking up. People will see your videos after some time, and then they will be impressed and they will like it. There, YouTube will still continue paying you as long as people have watched your video, they have clicked, and they watch it, they share it. People will always subscribe to our channels. So people outside there, please may you support us, the YouTubers, like our videos, subscribe to our channels, and please share. It's always good for you to watch a video and drop the comment at the comment section. That is what helps us to progress. If you're seeing something that is so unique from me that you may not be happy, or you have an advice that you want to give it to me, please just drop it in my comment section. I'll go there, see it, read it, and then adjust myself as you would like it. Yeah, please, let's all get together and support one another to grow our channels. Like I've always said, even the big YouTubers did not get big without subscribers and viewers and followers. So we have to support one another. Subscribe to mine and write your comment down. If you are a fellow YouTuber, just indicate there. Let's support each other and grow together. Check on my YouTube channel. I will get down there and also check on your YouTube channel and subscribe. There are some of the people who come into our channels, someone subscribes, then again later he subscribes. So that is not fair and it's not good, and you know that someone can also unsubscribe from yours. So once you have subscribed, let's keep following each other. Just check on somebody's content and then give a like, please. Let us also put on a like or show a like. This is what will help the YouTube algorithm to know that this video is really liked and being followed by so many viewers. The other one is, please, as you have shot your video like I have done this one of mine, please make sure that you provide a nice title for your video. Get a catchy title. A title that helps algorithm to search, the search engine. You know, there are words that people use when you need to find out about something. Always, we normally ask Google, and then some people go to YouTube. Like how to cook maybe eggs, how to prepare something, maybe food, maybe you want to do something. We normally go to YouTube. How to, maybe you can say how to set a GoPro camera, how to use maybe a video lights. When you go to YouTube and then you type how to do something, Google brings it very fast. And this is what helps even your video. When you are creating a title for your video, make sure that write a title which is searchable. This is what helps most of the people to discover your video, because you have used a word that rhymes, that Google uses within the search engine. Okay? So let's make our videos, create good titles, use the right words that go together with a video. Okay? such that when people open your video like this, they will find out exactly what they have been searching for. So let's grow together on YouTube by supporting one another, liking our videos, shoot a nice video. Do not worry. Some of the people are still back down there saying, oh, I need a camera. Oh, I don't have money to purchase a better camera. I need a stand. Please begin by using your phone. Your phone is enough to make you start. The most important thing is start. Open your YouTube channel, and after you have logged everything right, then get your video. Get your camera. Use your phone. It doesn't matter what type of phone you have. Just get your phone, set it, and then get your topic. If you want to be a vlogger, move out there, show people places. But of course, what is new? Many people have traveled and moved almost everywhere, but it doesn't matter. Keep going. After that, come and upload your video. YouTube requires people to be consistent. Posting every day. You can post more than one video, 2, 3, if you have the ability. That will be good for you. The more videos you put on YouTube, the more viewers you get, and the more watch hours will be increasing. At the same time, even the subscribers. So let's all work together and support one another to grow our channels. And please make videos, post daily. I love you all. Let's meet together. Be blessed.
My YouTube, subscribe, kiss my dick. Baby, I love you.